Since we stopped getting paid, the only income I've had was doing the Uber.
That man says he's on the brink of being homeless because his employer isn't paying him. Now he and other employees are reaching out to Fox 4 for help. 4 in Your Corner's Jasmine Miner speaking to those employees who are desperate for a change. Jasmine?
Sam, Sovereign Health employees say they haven't been getting paid for their work. And one employee tells me he hasn't received a check in so long, it's nearly made him homeless.
These are all empty.
No money means no food and possibly no home.
There were many times that I was about to become homeless.
Eugene is a driver for Sovereign Health in Fort Myers. He says the company hasn't given him a paycheck in over a month.
I don't want to sue Sovereign. I just want my pay.
A spokesperson for the rehab center tells me they're 2 paychecks behind in paying their employees, explaining the delays because of a, quote, change in vendor. Eugene isn't the only one fed up with not getting paid. Earl Givens, a nurse at the center, says he's quitting because he's not being paid either.
The period was April 20th. However, we didn't receive it for about 2 weeks, and we have not received one since.
Sovereign Health tells me this has been happening for the last 4 weeks. With just $70 in his account, employees like Eugene are finding other avenues of income.
Halfway through his day, he goes from Sovereign Health driver to Uber driver, all so he can stay off the streets.
Not doing Uber because I like it.
With a tight deadline on rent, Eugene says he worked as an Uber driver for nearly 24 hours straight, all to make the extra $200 he needed for rent.
I Ubered until 5:30 in the morning and still didn't make enough money to pay my rent.
Getting help from his colleagues for help with rent and food.
Just brought me a bag full of groceries.
As a person in recovery, Eugene says places like Sovereign Health are important. He just wants them to take care of their employees.
If it wasn't for these places, I wouldn't be here today.
A Sovereign Health spokesperson tells me their employees should receive their paychecks by the end of next week. In the meantime, Eugene says he's taken the $20 he has in cash and is going to treat himself to a hot meal tonight. In the studio, Jasmine Miner, Fox 4 in Your Corner.
Thank you, Jasmine.